This video highlights all the key features you need to know about the HAUSHOF 10000 BTU portable air conditioner and how it performs in real-world use. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below for the latest price. The HAUSHOF 10000 BTU is a great solution for those looking to cool rooms up to 430 square feet without the bulk or hassle of traditional AC units. It's a 3-in-1 unit, offering cooling, fan-only mode, and dehumidifying functions, which means it's built not just for summer heat but for year-round comfort. What makes it even more appealing is its compact form. Despite packing 10,000 BTUs of power, it's surprisingly portable and can be easily moved from room to room using the built-in handles and caster wheels. Whether you're using it in the bedroom, home office, or living room, the unit adapts easily to your space. Functionality-wise, the unit does not disappoint. You get an intuitive control panel on top, or you can just use the included remote if you want to adjust settings from the couch or bed. The LED display is crisp and easy to read, and it's equipped with a 24-hour timer, which is great for people who want to set it and forget it, perfect for sleeping or pre-cooling a room before you get home. It also includes a child lock, which adds a layer of safety if you have kids around. As for noise, it runs at just 56 dB, which is quiet enough not to disturb your daily routine or your sleep, though it may still produce a soft hum that's typical of portable AC units. On the flip side, like most portable ACs, it requires proper window venting to function effectively. While the included window kit makes this relatively easy, some users may find the initial setup a bit finicky if your window type isn't standard. Also, though it's designed for portability, keep in mind that it's still a mid-sized unit, so storage during the off-season might require a bit of closet space. However, these are fairly common trade-offs for any high-performance portable air conditioner in this category. All in all, the HAUSHOF 10000 BTU strikes a solid balance between power, convenience, and versatility. If you're looking for a sleek, reliable, and effective cooling solution that offers more than just cold air, this model should definitely be on your radar. It's a great choice for anyone who wants an all-in-one climate control unit that fits into daily life without much fuss.